Women unique earring fashion style. Hello beautiful lovers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Today we embark on a journey through the world to unique earrings. From timeless classic to avant-garde designing, we are about to dive into a realm where elegance meets individuality. Earrings are more than just accessories. They are statements of style, expressions of personality, and reflection of culture. And for women, they hold a unique significance. Often becomes pieces that hold memories and meaning. Let's start with the classics. Simple yet sophisticated studs are versatility enough to complement any outfit. Whether it's a casual day out or glamorous evening affairs. But what sets them apart are the intricate delicates and geometrics that add a touch of brilliance to each pair. Take a look at these beauties with their delicate craftsmanship and sparkling gems. They often elevate any look, making them a must-have in every woman's jewelry collection. Now let's venture into the realm of hopes. From silk and minimalistic designs to bold any statements making styles, hope earrings come in a variety of shapes and size, each offering a unique flair to its wearer. Whether you are channeling documents that are adding a touch of glamour to your ensembles, hope earrings are the perfect accessories to express your individuality and confidence. And then there are the earrings, the epitome of elegance and grandeur. With their disgusting, there is an intricate patterns can acute a sense of that individuality transformations any look from the ordinary to extraordinary. These statement pieces are not just accessories. They are work for art, the common actions and wherever you go. Last but not least, we have dangle earrings, the playful yet sophistication choose for the days. How dear the different styles, from motifs to geometric shapes, dangles for endless possibilities for self-expression and creativity. Whether you prefer suitable elegance or a bold statements, there are pair of dangles earrings and that door perfectly comments your style and personality. And there you have it, folks are glimpses on the enchanting world of unique women's earrings. Remember, it's not just about what you are wear, but who you wear it so. Dare to uphold it, embrace your individuality and let your earrings tell your stories. Thanks for watching.